a one-of-a-kind penthouse suite in Tridell's exclusive Hunt Club. This penthouse with 9-foot ceilings and a wall of oversized windows showcasing panoramic, unobstructed views over all of Unionville, and a 1,375 square foot floor plan with on-trend neutral decor in Unionville's most prestigious building, like living in a luxury boutique hotel with 24-hour concierge, all-inclusive maintenance fees, and extensive amenities. Located on the penthouse level of 610 Bullock Drive with just a few other units, this is an elegant home that simplifies your life with the ease of condo living. Pack up and leave without a care, and coming home is such a pleasure. As you walk into the suite, the proper marble foyer with crown moldings welcome guests. There's a double mirrored closet, access to a utility room, and a 2-piece powder room for guests. The view as you enter the main living areas will take your breath away. Your eye is drawn through the main living areas to the soaring vista beyond. The spacious living room has updated laminate flooring, fits comfortably sized suites of furniture, and even has room for the big screen TV. The adjoining open concept dining room will host your hutch, buffet, and a table that will sit a crowd, along with laminate floor and crown moldings. The house-sized eat-in kitchen has laminate floors throughout, ample counter and cabinet space, double sink, ceramic backsplash, upgraded lighting and under cabinet task lighting, as well as upgraded countertops and a stainless steel stove. The bright and cheery breakfast area will be everyone's favorite spot for a coffee, with beautiful views all year round. Imagine the bloom of summer, the colors of the fall, and the winter wonderland of snowy treetops and rooftops. The open concept sunroom also has upgraded laminate floors and a walkout to the covered balcony. The primary bedroom fits a king-size suite and has a walkout to the balcony, a large walk-in closet, and a marble ensuite bathroom with double vanity, soaker tub, and walk-in glass shower. Toast the sunsets from the covered balcony with a bird's eye view of the neighborhood, covered so that you can enjoy this oversized space, rain or shine. Don't forget the ensuite storage room, plus a storage locker downstairs and one underground parking spot. The unit also has an ensuite laundry room, and the heat pump has been replaced so you have no heating or cooling worries.
The Hunt Club is Tridell's jewel of Markham and Unionville. It has recently been extensively renovated, offering an impressive foyer with 24-hour concierge, exceptional party room and recreational room facilities, a gym, an indoor pool, an outdoor pool, tennis courts, billiards room, squash courts, and guest suites. The location is ideal. You're directly across from Markville Mall and walking distance to the closest GO station. Unionville Main Street, shops, restaurants, and entertainment is close by, walkable along a series of nature trails. There's easy access to several transit lines at your door, and you're close to shopping, Highway 404 and 407, and several schools.
For more information about this very special home, call or text us at 416-888-5640, email us at info@walkerparker.ca, or visit us online at www.walkerparker.ca.